na kayo. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng aking mga subscribers. Thank you so much, subscribers! Yay! And please, kung napadaan kayo sa channel ko and you haven't subscribed yet, please do support me for my goal to hit 500 subscribers. Diyos ko, napakahirap palang ma-attain ng 500 subscribers na yan. Just me. And eto, I'm walking, going to bus stop because I'm working from home today and we have a date. Not a date with my hubby, but a date with my bestie. So she's working in downtown and then we're gonna meet up there. I haven't been to the restaurant that she wants to go to, but I think it's nice. I looked it up online. The foods look yummy. So yeah, I'm going to the bus stop. I don't know yet what time is the bus. I haven't checked, but I'll just wait for it. She's off at around 5:30, I think. Yeah, she said it's 5:30, so I have 40 minutes travel, so probably makakahabot ako ng hindi ako ganun ka-late. But I think may travel time din siya because she's coming from Gorge, and I think it's like 10 to 15 minutes pa going to Fort. So see ya! Oh no, I missed the bus. The bus. That's supposed to be the bus that I'm going into. It's bus 95, but anyways, I think it's only 7 minutes interval. So bye bye bus. I'll catch up another one. Hi, so andito na ako sa mall, sa Bay Center Mall. I really wanted to pee, so dito ako bumaba para makaihi while waiting for my bestie. So eto na yung bus niya, andito na siya.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys, andito na ako with the bestie. Hi. I want all. She's super hungry. She wants all. So here's the ano nga ba to? Ukatsu? Paano i-pronounce yung ukatsu? Ukatsu and V-cup. So, nandito kami. Dito niya gustong kumain. And I haven't tried this. So, let's do this. Pakita ko sa inyo yung menu. Guys, here's the menu. Ukatsu and V-cup. Japanese cutlet and Korean rice bowl. Fusion siya.
Yes, Korean and ano.
Parang gusto ko nga din lahat.
Diba ang sarap ng itsura?
Oh my God! Look at that.
Chicken katsu.
Anong na-try niya na dito?
Pork katsu.
Pork katsu. Nagpapa-take out nga si Gariboy eh.
Ay, talaga? Pumasok ba siya?
Yeah.
Oo. Sa UB ko lang.
Yes.
I'm gonna have pork katsu.
Oh, decided na siya.
Yes. Actually, look forward ko siya.
Okay, mag-concentrate muna ako guys. Bye. Okay guys, our order arrived. This one is the assorted pork loin. What's that?
Emeru.
Tonkatsu? Onkatsu? I don't know. Okatsu. Yeah. Meron siyang pork loin, may shrimp, and may cheese. And then she ordered the, ano yan best? King tonkatsu.
Yes.
Wow, king guys. Ang laki.
With the curry sauce.
Curry sauce. Tastes good?
Yes. So, ayan. Kakain na kami. Rice is life.
Yeah. Pray ka muna. Pray muna kami. Okay, bye. Begin.
Let the eating begin.
Yeah. Let me first try this one. Let it in the sauce.
Nice? Ano yan? Salad dressing.
Okay, enjoy muna kami guys. Bye.